Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best chair leg protectors for carpet. Number 1. BUMACO Protectors. Protect your floors and enjoy quieter, smoother furniture movement with this set of 40 premium silicone furniture sliders. Designed with a unique technology that firmly combines soft felt with flexible silicone, without the need for gel or nails. These covers offer a secure and long-lasting fit. They slip effortlessly onto chair legs with no tools or cleaning required, saving time and hassle. Perfect for both round and square chair feet, they fit a perimeter of 4 and 9/16 inches to 6 and 4/16 inches. 116 to 160 millimeters, round diameters of 1 and 5/16 inches to 2 inch, 33 to 50 millimeters, and square sides of 1 and 3/16 inches to 1 and 9/16 inches, 29 to 40 millimeters. Once installed, they shield hardwood floors, tile, and other surfaces from scratches and damage while reducing noise caused by dragging chairs. The felt bottoms also allow furniture to glide smoothly and quietly without lifting. Ideal for dining room chairs, patio seating, kitchen stools, and metal bistro chairs, they're reusable and washable, making them a practical solution for long-term use, even after moving. Whether for home or office, these chair leg covers provide a sleek, invisible layer of protection that preserves your floors and enhances everyday comfort. Number 2. YOZON Floors. Protect your floors with confidence using this newly upgraded chair leg floor protector, designed for durability, versatility, and ease of use. Featuring a reinforced cup-shaped felt pad at the bottom, it offers enhanced stability and longer where compared to standard flat pads. This thoughtful design allows the chair to tilt at any angle without slipping or damaging floors, making it ideal for everyday use in busy households or offices. The secure fit reduces unwanted movement and ensures the protector stays firmly in place, even during frequent chair repositioning. Made from high-quality stretchable silicone, the protector comfortably fits round chair legs with a diameter of 3/4 inch to 1 and 3/16 inches, 19 to 30 millimeters. The flexible material molds snugly around the leg, providing a tight, slip-resistant grip. It not only shields floors from scratches, scuffs, and wear but also dampens noise and vibration, promoting a more peaceful environment. Installation is quick and tool-free. Simply slide it onto the chair leg, and it's ready to go. With its durable construction and long-lasting performance, this chair leg protector is a smart, low-maintenance solution to preserve the beauty of your floors while enhancing comfort and functionality in any room. Number 3. VIUME Hardwood. Give your floors the protection they deserve with these flexible and durable silicone chair leg caps, designed for effortless installation and long-term reliability. Simply slip them onto the bottom of chair legs. No cutting, gluing, or tools required. The soft yet sturdy silicone stretches to fit snugly, making them easy to put on and take off while staying securely in place during everyday use. Unlike traditional felt pads or nail-on options, these protectors feature an integrated silicone and felt design, preventing the felt pad from detaching over time. Perfect for reducing noise and preventing scratches, the felt bottoms allow chairs to glide smoothly across floors without the loud screech or risk of damage. They're ideal for hardwood, tile, and other sensitive surfaces. Designed to adapt to a variety of chair leg shapes, round, square, rectangular, or irregular, they work well with dining chairs, kitchen stools, bar stools, and metal chairs. Suitable for round diameters of 1/5/16 to 2, 33 to 50 millimeters. Square sides of 1/3/16 to 1/9/16, 29 to 40 millimeters, and leg perimeters of 4, 9/16 to 6, 4/16, 116 to 160 millimeters. These protectors combine functionality and ease to help maintain a clean, quiet, and scratch-free home. Number 4. Slipstick Adhesive. Effortlessly move your furniture while keeping floors protected with these premium chair leg floor protector glides. Designed for furniture feet measuring 1 inch to 1/2 in diameter, they are ideal for use with chairs, bar stools, armchairs, dining chairs, and even coffee tables. Engineered with ultra-low friction bases, These glides allow furniture to slide smoothly and quietly across low-pile carpet, tile, ceramic, slate, and other hard surfaces, making rearranging your space easier than ever. The slick bottom surface minimizes resistance, reducing noise and floor damage during movement. To safeguard more delicate flooring such as hardwood, laminate, or vinyl, you can pair them with compatible felt slider caps for extra protection. These glides also serve as a protective buffer between furniture and floors, helping prevent scratches, dents, and wear over time. Each set includes 16 round plastic sliders with 7/8 insert caps and self-adhesive backing for easy installation. For added durability and security, especially on carpeted or textured surfaces, screws are included to ensure a long-lasting hold. Whether you're upgrading your dining room or outfitting commercial seating, these glides offer a reliable and convenient solution to enhance mobility and protect your floors. Number 5. Ansible Silicone. Keep your floors looking flawless and your space quiet with these durable silicone chair leg covers, specially designed for square furniture legs with side lengths between 1/16 and 1/5/8, 27 to 40 millimeters. Crafted to stretch and mold snugly around various shapes, whether square or round, these covers fit dining chairs, patio furniture, kitchen seating, and more. The flexible silicone construction makes installation quick and tool-free. Just slip them on, and they stay securely in place without sliding off. Each cover features an integrated felt bottom that glides smoothly and silently across hard surfaces like tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl, eliminating the screeching sound of dragging chairs and reducing wear on your floors. Unlike traditional adhesive pads, this design fuses the felt to the silicone with special technology. No nails, no glue, and no risk of detachment. With a pack of 24 pieces, you'll have enough to protect multiple pieces of furniture throughout your home. These chair leg protectors are a smart solution for maintaining a tidy, peaceful environment while extending the life of your floors. Not recommended for carpeted areas, they perform best on hard surfaces where smooth, silent movement and reliable protection matter most. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.